Welcome to a minute of magic with nature's makeup removers. First, we have coconut oil. A gentle massage and a swipe with a cotton pad, voila, makeup's gone. Next up, olive oil. Similar to coconut oil, a small application breaks down makeup easily. Then there's milk, soaked in a cotton pad. Those fats work wonders to cleanse your face. Plain yogurt, another gentle remover. A circular motion and a wipe, that's all it takes. Ever thought of cucumber? Great one. Apply the pulp to your face, wait, then wipe. Aloe vera gel, soothing and effective. A small dab and a gentle wipe, makeup be gone. Honey with its antibacterial properties doubles as a natural remover. Apply, massage and wipe with a damp cloth. Jojoba oil, akin to your skin's natural oils, also does the trick. Refreshing rose water soaked in a cotton pad not only removes makeup but soothes the skin. Lastly, cleansing grains. A paste of oatmeal or almond meal with water, scrub gently, leaves your face makeup free. And that's a wrap. Nature's makeup removers in a nutshell. Try them today.